have a special firework demo for you. And the neighbor's dog agrees too. Now, you may not be able to see, but this is called PYROmoji XXL Smoke Ball. And it's by Red Apple Fireworks. Whoa! So, who's with me tonight? I think you know these fingers by now. We got Sergeant Pyro. Say hello, Sergeant Pyro. There he is, Sergeant Pyro. What do we got going on here? We got some smoke. Do we have a smiley face on it? Oh, it's a devil face. Little emoji guy. All right. I think we're going to head out to the street pad. Let's see what we got here. It says 4-inch yellow. 60 seconds. You all could do the counting. We'll meet you out on the street pad. See you in a minute. Yeah. All right, so we made it to the street pad. Let's go, Sergeant Pyro. Let's light this. He's kind of got attitude, I think. All right. Whoa. Hey, that's pretty cool. Oh, plume! All right. I'd go 60 seconds. What do you think? So, hey, wait a minute. How many? 15. Yeah, 15 seconds max. Wait, what's happening there? But it was still fun. BBQ